Hello everyone, this is Mank and I welcome all of you to part 4 of our weekly ethics case study. Guys, in this series we actually discuss every Monday a case study. So today's case study is, suppose you are posted as an education secretary in a state where you have seen news coming about increase in the cases of drug abuse among children. So as an education secretary, what will be your actions to tackle this situation or this problem? So guys, I have already told you that the most important thing in case study that you must use only legal method or pragmatic or rational method. And second thing is to avoid like I will do it myself, this term actually, because the role of officer is to delegate the work, not to do the work by himself. So now let's come to case study. So the major actions which I can take, first one is since I am an education secretary, so affiliation to boards be given to only those schools who have prevented alcohol or tobacco shops near institution. That means only those schools should be given affiliation to CBSE or ICC board, whatever board, those who have prevented these types of shops near the school institutions. Second is I will direct the district education officer, who is the head of the education department in the district, to increase the monitoring by installing cameras at drugstore. So installation of cameras at drugstore is another step which I will take. Third is the inclusion of curriculum related to drug abuse. So in the syllabus, or we can say in the textbook, the inclusion of curriculum related to drug abuse should be included by my side. And the fourth one is the very important, direct schools to set up Prahari clubs. So guys, what is basically Prahari club? Prahari club are those clubs which are under which children themselves actually discuss issues related to drug abuse. So we are actually make children themselves capable enough to handle this problem, and they themselves will promote awareness in the society, so they will not become vulnerable to this kind of problem. And the fifth very important, another, that surprise inspection by education official. That means setting up of cameras in the college or in the schools, and which do not only inspected by college officials but also the education officials themselves. So these kind of actions which I will take as an education secretary to solve this. Thanks for watching, and like, share and